Greetings. This is a short video of the pelvic motion. So the first one we're going to look at is anterior tilt. When the hips go into an anterior tilt, it will force the torso into flexion. Your correction is going to be extension. When we go into an anterior tilt, you place your hands up in front, you'll notice that our hips go into bilateral flexion. Posterior tilt, when I go into a posterior tilt, the correction of the torso will be in flexion. Again, if I go into a posterior tilt, you'll notice the front of your hips go into extension. When we're talking about lateral tilt, it's about turning the steering wheel on the car. When we turn the steering wheel on the car, when I go into a right lateral rotation, so as I move into or turn the car in a right lateral rotation, my right hip will be abducting or moving away. My left hip will be adducting or moving towards the midline. The correction, if I'm turning to the right, then the correction of the torso will be left lateral flexion. When we're looking at the left side, when I turn the steering wheel to the left, my left hip will be moving away, going into abduction. My right hip will be going into adduction. And again, the correction will be moving my torso into a right lateral flexion. When we're talking about transverse rotation, it's very similar to the walking motion. I always visualize turning the steering wheel of a bus. When I turn the steering wheel to the right, my left foot will step forward. The torso must then go into a left transverse rotation. My right hip, we're in a walking motion, so my right hip is internally rotating, pressuring the ball of the big toe. My left hip is externally rotating into the lateral arch. When I turn the bus, or when I turn into a left transverse rotation, my right foot will come forward. The correction again, when I go into a left transverse rotation, is going to be rotating the torso to the right. My left hip is internally rotating, pressuring the ball of the big toe. My right hip is externally rotating, pressuring the lateral arch. Thank you, and this was a demonstration of pelvic rotations.